Okay, coming to you today to show you how I am storing my CMMG Bravo 22 long rifle conversion kit for my AR platform. So, got the unit the other day, and I was thinking about, well, if I put my gun case or wherever I'm going, I don't want it damaged. Not terrible lot of money, but still $200 investment is enough. So with that, you get 3 25 round magazines that to me have very good construction to them. I like them. Very nice. They fit well in the mag wells of the weapon, but I have yet to shoot it, so I can't really give you an honest answer of how well they do. Other YouTubers that have been doing videos of this thing shooting has been exceptional performance from what I have seen. Looking around, one guy shot numerous different ammo types and brands and had a couple of malfunctions, but for the most part, as many as he shot, did very well. The unit comes with this rubber tip guard to help protect the tip of this, but the rest of it had nothing. So, see if I can get this out of here because it's pretty tight. Alright. This is just a flexible, thick wall rubber pipe that I actually found in my shed, along with the cardboard storage tube, shipping tube. Had white caps on each of it. Used to be about 2 feet long, and it was perfect because the white tube fits in there nice and neat, snug, seated all the way down. The other end had a white cap on it, but I taped it up. Camouflage tape does nothing for it other than makes it look better than cardboard. Unit itself fits very well in that rubber tube, which uses sort of like a buffer. Fits in there nice. Other white cap, actually he's got ribs on it to hold, and that is the storage method I came up with. Anyway, as far as the unit itself, like I said, I have not shot this yet, but it could not be easier to convert your weapon over. Now, I'm not left-handed, nor do I really work off to the side, so hopefully I can do this without looking like a cub bear trying to handle shell corn or something. Take your other bolt out, original bolt out, rubber tip off. Put that unit in, lock it in place, drop it down, pin it, you're done. Dust cover functions, loads. The only thing is when it pulls back, that's it. That's the full distance that the unit goes. Of course, you would think that's all it should go. It's 22. So that works. There's also an add-on where you can put for forward assist on it. I don't see a need for it, but then again, I haven't shot it yet. So there may be. But anyway, I plan on getting out soon and shooting it and see how well it does. Hopefully it performs as well as what I was seeing. I don't see why it wouldn't. So, that is my new toy. Try it out. Always make sure, because that is thin, stainless. You don't want to damage where the round is chambered. That's why I got it in there, stored, and done deal. Again, construction wise, I think it is great. Functional, have yet to be seen. I'll report back on that later. For now, have a wonderful day.